Here is the Kia Sedona. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Kia emblem, put one finger there and then push it left. That's where the secondary release lever is. Push it left and lift up the hood. This is how the secondary release lever works. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it. Now let it go and the hood is secure. Now that's the main fuse box over there. We need to get the cover out. There are two clips holding it in place. So press the one in the back, lift it up. Press the one in the front and lift it up. It's easier if you use both your hands and press them both at the same time. Once you get the cover out, look underneath it. That's where the fuse diagram is. There's a fuse puller is there, and that's where the spare fuses are. So let's go ahead, get the fuse puller out, and that's where all the spare fuses are. Let's go ahead, get the secondary fuse panel cover off, and that's where the panel is. Let's focus on the fuse diagram. Three outlets, three fuses. Over there it says power outlet 1 with the one right little number right by the power P up there. Yeah, that is for the one by the passenger seat. Power outlet 2 is for the one that's inside the center console. Power outlet 3 is for the one in the cargo area. Now what we'll do is we'll pull the fuses and we'll check if it's good or bad. Very likely you have a bad fuse, and if you do have a bad fuse, we'll replace it with the 20 amps spare fuse. So let's go ahead, get the fuse puller on this and pull it. And as soon as I do that, power is gone. Why? Because mine is good. How do I know that? Look at the center part. If yours is broken, then it's a bad fuse. If it's not broken, then it's a good fuse. So good thing is we have a 20 amp spare fuse. So let's go ahead, get this 20 amp spare fuse from there. Check the center part of this to make sure this is not broken, and this is good. Put it back where the original fuse went. As soon as I do that, power's back on. Same idea, repeat it for the power outlet 2. This is for the one that's inside the center console. Pull it, power's gone because my fuse is good. Put the fuse back in, and you can replace it if your fuse is bad. Let's do this for power outlet 3. One in the cargo area, same thing. Pull it, check if it's good, put it back in, and when I put it back in, power's gonna be back on. Same idea. Once you're done, don't forget to put this cover back on. Just get the upper part in first and then press the lower part in place, and that is good. Don't forget to put the fuse puller back in its place and put the cover on. It only goes on in the one way that I'm showing. Get it in position and then press it down, and that'll engage the clips to secure it. And that is good. To close the hood, first push on it and get load off the prop rod. Get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place and secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.